Welcome to Easy Mill. Here I'm going to talk about plunge milling. Plunge milling is a little different in the Easy Mill than it is in the Mill Pro. The Mill Pro has a wizard and walks you through the process. So we're going to go to Machining, Workstep Data. The cycle type is pocketing. Cycle data controls the step over in the x-axis. 3D cycle data, you want to change the projection to plunge. The curve step controls the y-axis. Verify. 3D preview. And that's all there is to the plunge milling. We want to thank you for watching.